Welcome to PcMac. In today's video, I'm going to show you Microsoft PC Manager. That is a free tool that you can use to boost your PC performance, and it's free to use. So let's go ahead and check this tool and how it works. So to download this tool, you need to open the store, the Microsoft Store, and look for PC Manager in the search box. This is the tool, Microsoft PC Manager. I have already installed it, so let's just go ahead and open it. It will be available on the bottom right corner of your screen, just here. And before doing any cleanup, I'll show you that my C drive is almost full, 113 GB. Let me open the Explorer, and you can see 10.3 GB free out of 123 GB. So let's just go ahead and click here. It will start scanning the computer, getting all the files. You can see 8.6 GB of files. So this is the recommended item that can be cleaned from the computer, where there is 8.2 GB from Chrome, Edge and Firefox itself, and then the temporary files, thumbnail, Windows log file, Defender file. All these are also mentioned here that can be cleaned. Then once you select these options as well, it will also clean lots of items. So let's just go ahead and click on proceed. And let me open the Explorer as well. Now you can see the cleaning process is going on. It's cleaning everything one by one. So now you don't have to open other things or to run the manual commands to clean the computer. It's just this tool you need to install, and it's better than C Cleaner or other tool available in the market, paid tools. You can see the Chrome is done, 5.56. It says that the Microsoft Edge is in use, so it's not able to clean it up. To resolve it, we just need to open the task manager and then end task the edge, right click and then end task. Now it's done 8.2 GB. Click on done and do it one more time, because I have end task the Microsoft Edge as well. So 1.9 GB also can be cleaned from Microsoft Edge. Let's try one more time. This is also done. Click on done, close this one. Now you can see we have almost 18.5 GB space available, so it's 19.9 GB. Now from here you can also check the protection status. You don't need to open the Defender if you're using the Defender. You can also check the Windows update and everything directly from this tool. If you go to storage, then there are also options available. We can also look for duplicate files, and it will scan the files. The storage sense is also here. Once we click on it, the storage sense is on. We can also use it to clean the space, and this duplicate will find the duplicate files inside the computer and give you the option to clean them as well or merge those files. Let's just minimize this one, refresh. Now if we go to apps, we can also work with the process management, the startup apps. Click here and we can suggest that which app we want to turn on the startup. We can also manage the process management directly from here. So if your system is running slow, you can just use this particular tool to minimize the RAM usage, the CPU usage directly from this tool. And we can also uninstall the software directly from here. Just show you, let me move down, and let's just remove this software. So you can see we can now control Windows directly from this tool. This is also done, and the space is now 20 GB. So this is a really good tool that you can use to clean the machine, clean your Windows, and make it working faster. And you can also boost the RAM and remove the temporary file directly from here, and you can set the boost from here as well. Turn it on, smart boost settings, and once we click on boost, we'll start cleaning up the memory and the temporary files. So it's cleaned now. You can see the memory usage is also on 29%. If I refresh again, it will be like in between 19 GB to 20 GB because of the startup items and other things. So this is the tool you can use to boost up your machine, and this is completely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. So this is it for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, install this tool, share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye, take care, have a nice day.